Hi everyone, my name is Jose Angelo L. Valiente from Bachelor of Science in Nursing, Section 1C, and I will be your experiment buddy in this video. For today's experiment, we will be doing homemade orange peels essential oil. For this experiment, our objectives are first, to be able to identify the benefits of essential oil. Second thing, to be able to use orange peel scraps into something beneficial and not just to be thrown away. Third and last thing, to be able to make an homemade essential oil. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. The materials we will be needing in these experiments are oranges, vodka, glass container, strainer, knife and fork, food processor, and lastly, medium-sized bowl. To start the experiment, get yourself some oranges and start peeling them using a knife. Now that we already peeled the oranges, we proceed to the next procedure wherein we will be using a fork to remove this pith or the white thing in the orange peels. After removing the white pith in the orange peels, they must look like this. Our next procedure is let the orange peels sit out and dry under the heat of sun until they're dry and hard. Avoid over drying your peels. This can cause them to lose some of their limonene. So now that our orange peels have been dried, it's time now to grind them using the food processor. Place the dried orange peels into the food processor and grind them until they are coarsely fine. Our next procedure is to warm the vodka. The vodka will be used to soak the orange peels or the crushed orange peels to get the essential oil from it. But first, we need to warm the vodka. Based on what I've read from the internet, you will extract more essential oil when the vodka is warmer. In order to do that, place the vodka in a pitcher filled with hot water and let it warm in several minutes. Get yourself some glass mason jar and place the crushed orange peels in it. Our next procedure is soak the peels with warm vodka. Pour in enough vodka to completely cover the orange peels. Once you have covered the grinds, secure the lid and then vigorously shake the jar for several minutes. Let the mixture sit for 2 or 3 days. During that time, you may also want to shake the mixture 2 or 3 times a day. You may also consider letting sit longer than a few days. The more you shake it, the longer you let it sit, the more oil you will get from your mixture. Strain the mixture using a metal strainer. You strain it into a medium-sized bowl. Be sure to squeeze all of the liquid into the bowl. You can also use a cloth so that you can squeeze all the vodka from the orange peels. Now that we have already strained the mixture, make sure that all the liquids will be squeezed out into this bowl. And now, we will cover it using a paper towel and let all the alcohol of the vodka evaporate, and the orange oil will be left on it after a few days. The mixture is already covered with paper towel for a few days now. Let's see what's happened. The alcohol already evaporated and only the oil was left in the bowl. And now you can put them in your designated containers. And that's how you make orange peels essential oil.